welcome back. Just kidding. Welcome back to me. So it feels like forever since I've actually picked up this camera and recorded anything. And I don't know, life's just kind of gotten busy. And I have a list of probably 100-something cars that are on my to-do list for this summer. And I've probably done 3 of them. So, slacking is definitely the word to use right now. In my defense, and for those of you that are new and just happen to find this video, I do work full-time, I am going to school, so it is a little bit tricky sometimes and some weekends to find the time to actually film a lot of these cars. And since I've moved to this area, you know, it's been a little bit tricky sort of coordinating filming times and meeting people that I've never met before. COVID, all of that stuff. Anyways, I finally cleaned up this upstairs area of my house, and I've been meaning to do that for so long, and just like a lot of other things, I've kind of been slacking because life happens, you know? So firstly, I want to show you guys this little setup that I've got here. So it's pretty cool. You can kind of see a little bit of it behind me. This is supposed to be my office, but when I'm working from home, a lot of times my office ends up being wherever I land. So sometimes it's my bedroom. That's okay too, I guess. It's gonna be nice working up here. But don't tell my boss that, because they think that I, you know, sit at this desk and hard work and do all that stuff, which I do hard work, but a lot of times it's laying in my bed like this with my laptop. But let's show you around. You guys might like this. If you follow me on Instagram, which you should be by now, then you've probably already seen this, but I'll give you guys a little tour of this little upstairs setup. I kind of plan to do a lot more filming in here, so you guys will see a lot of this more, and I do have a nice view. It's trees, but it's nice. They're my trees. Well, my neighbor's trees, but you know, we share the trees, so sometimes when I cut the limbs, they fall into their yards or whatever, but whatever. It's a good view. It's a good view. I can see people walking too, so I can be that neighborhood watch. That's me. I'm that Karen. So this is office area number 1. This one is just for fun. As you can see, I love owls, Adventure Time. If you know anything about me, or this is all new to you, now you know. I do have a pretty crazy car collection. Yeah. Got my little sign there, which I love this thing. And yeah, microphones, cameras. A lot of this is old stuff, like that drone. I don't use that drone. I've never really used it other than for stunt stuff, because it's a really cool drone that does backflips. So that's how I learned to actually fly drones. Got my other motorcycle helmet there. It gets pretty cold up here in the wintertime, so I got a little heater. And then this side is just like certificates and stuff. I won't show you all that, as that's not cool. I got a crazy lots of hats. I still don't know where to put all these hats. Look at this, hats. A lot of those. I got a lamp. I love lamp. Printer. And another chair. So that's supposed to be the business side of the house. And then right here, we got my little cars and shoes. I'm a big sneaker guy, if you don't know. And then over here, closet, more shoes, way more shoes. And then this area is a whole nother room that I don't really know what I'm gonna do with. So for now, I just kind of keep suitcases and stuff like that. There's stuff, but I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with all this space. Ooh, look at this G-Wagon though, guys. Oh, you guys can't really see it here. Ooh. Ooh, a wagon. Ooh. I don't know, if you guys are shoe guys, sneakerheads as they call them nowadays. I'm just kidding, we've always called ourselves sneakerheads. Let me know down in the comments what your favorite shoe is that you got. But otherwise, yeah, this is the collection, this is everything. So let me put you guys back here so I can chit chat with you. So the first thing I want to say is that I'm going to make it a little bit of a goal to do a little bit better with the filming. So I'm going to make it my goal to do a little bit better with this filming. A little bit more consistent like I did the first 2 years of YouTube. And I know, it's been 2 years of doing this. It doesn't seem like it, because time flies when you're having fun. And a lot of this is actually really fun. A lot of it is a lot of time consuming stuff. So let me give you guys just a quick idea of what it takes to run a YouTube channel. On average, I spend about an hour to an hour and a half, sometimes longer, with most of the cars that I do, Sometimes they're quick little ride-alongs, which are, 10, 15 minutes, tops 20 minutes. And I'll take that time to then edit, which editing probably depends on the video. A 10-minute video probably takes me about an hour to edit, and so that's about roughly where things kind of stand. My computer sucks. So sometimes it freezes. It freezes a lot. And I am too cheap to buy another laptop. So we're gonna wait on that laptop thing. The other thing is, once you're done editing the videos, then on top of that, you've got to do your whole YouTube uploads, you got to make your thumbnails, you got to write descriptions, you got to tag your videos, you got to do all your social media management. So it does take a lot of time, but a lot of the social media stuff is actually for fun. I enjoy, people following me on Instagram, and then I can see what cool cars they've got, and then I get to talk to people about cars all day. If that was it, I would love that. Just leave it alone at there. A lot of networking, so my phone is pretty much going off all the time for something, either responding to YouTube comments, someone tagging me on something on Facebook. I don't even take really good care of my Facebook page. Forgot I had that. Yeah. It's just how that goes. I tried the whole TikTok thing. It's not really my scene. So I'm probably gonna disappear from TikTok. Yeah, you guys probably didn't even know I had a TikTok. What else? So I've got a couple ideas. I used to do a little bit of a podcast style little midweek video, or a couple times a week, just to fill in the space between my car reviews and such. It really didn't do that well, but I enjoy it. I like to sit and talk cars. But I got a couple ideas, and the first one I think is fun because I spend a lot of time window shopping. You can ask any of my car friends, they'll tell you that I'm always thinking of what car I want to buy, or if I had, $20,000, what car would I buy? $15,000, and then $5,000. And so I want to do a lot of, I don't know how you would say it. I would like to do videos throughout the week of just different things. Like the next one I want to do is I want to talk about the Jeep versus the Bronco and just hear what you guys have to say and share some of my thoughts. I want to also do my Craigslist finds, my Facebook Marketplace finds, just talking about some of those stuff because there's some cool stuff, some good things, some good tips, and just overall fun stuff that you can find on there, and some interesting car projects. So I would love to do some of that. I don't know what you guys think, definitely let me know. But that's really it for this video. I don't really have a whole lot going on with YouTube as yet. But we're getting back into the swing of things. And I know the last, since August has been a pretty crazy time when it comes to filming for me. So if you have stuck around for this long, I thank you beyond words. I don't know how to express that. But it means a lot to me. Almost 6,000 of you, because yeah, every single one of you actually counts. And what else? And I love you guys. But this stuff is really fun, and I'm about, I think at the time of filming, I'm probably at 5,970 something people. So if you have any friends that you think should be a part of this Ljs Garage family, let them know. Tell them to just hit that subscribe button. If you guys got any ideas, questions, comments, concerns, anything, be sure to share them with me. And I'll be back. Things will get back to normal. Soon. Very soon. I have one more week of class. This is my last week. And then I get a break for a little bit. And then classes start up again. Till next time, stay happy, stay sane, stay healthy. Yeah.